All right, guys, it is Thursday, May 2nd, 2013. And we have, hey, the new magazine with this helmet. This is the helmet I'm getting right there. And the new spider lift, just kidding. I wish. All right, I broke out the all RC Traxxas RC cars, and I didn't decharge the battery, so guess what? I got 3 dead batteries, and I guess one of them took a charge. The other 2, they were so low voltage, and then one was swollen. So I got online and seen what I could buy inexpensively. I was going to go to the hobby shop, but they were closed, and of course their batteries are a lot more expensive. So I went online and I bought some batteries. So let's see what we got here. This is the Tinling LS LiPo 7.4 5200 milliamp 50C hard case, and I think there's 2 of them here for $25.99. with tax and everything came to $27.94. So nicely packaged, little foam between each of them. So we got 2 LiPos, $5200s, and they got the same ends that my other batteries have. So I already have a adapter for these. So these are exactly the same as the 2 batteries I got with my cars. So there's a nice little box to keep your batteries in. And they range in price, so I decided to get a couple of another brand as well. There's a user's manual. Instructions for disposal. All right. And these have a little bubble wrap, which the other ones did not. All right, this is, how much were these? These were $25.99. These were $26.87. So they're a little bit more expensive, but I mean, pretty much the same price. And these are this name brand, which I can't pronounce. So let's go ahead and see what these look like. Bubble wrapped. Pretty much the same deal. Piece of paper with your product manual. You got a little bit nicer product manual. Instead of a piece of paper, it's actually glossy and folded. All right, and these also have the same charging ends that my other one has, so that's cool. So I won't have to change out the adapters as much. But these are 80C instead of 74C. So everything is exactly the same, except for these are 80C instead of 50C. So I guess they got a little more punch. But pretty much the same price. $1 difference. But pretty much exactly the same setup. So the only additional thing I got was this charging cable, because I bought I'll show you that charger real quick after I open this, maybe. That was easier. This charging cable here was $10. Where is it? $10.79. SIM&NAT RC LiPo charging adapter connector splitter. 8 cables in one Octopus, converts wire to 4.0 millimeter banana plug. So all these, I can plug this into my charger, and I've got all these adapters, so I can pretty much charge almost anything. Like this one here, you unplug that little one and that plugs into this one if you push it hard enough. Oh. So I can charge this battery or any of these one at a time, and then I have another one over there similar to this, so I can charge 2 at a time. So let me show you my charger. Let's see. All right. This is my charger, Thunder T6 multi-charger. And then see, I can just plug this in like down here. So I can plug it in here. I can charge four batteries at a time. Another thing is these batteries were done. See, this one's swollen. I'm going to take this one apart, see what's in there. But these other ones, like this one here, this was the only good one. This is the only one that would charge. These two would not charge because they had I had let them set too long, and they were not showing. They were showing low voltage, so that once the voltage shows so low, you can't charge them. And this one here, I was able to snap back, and what I did was I put this on. See, these are all LiPos, and so I don't recommend this. This is just something I did to basically keep from throwing these batteries away. Someone told me you could basically, there's a protection on LiPos, so once they get such a low charge, they won't, if there's low voltage, they won't charge no matter what you do. So if you put it on NiCads, there's no basically protection. So what you do is you put it on NiCad, and then you charge it up a little bit, just enough to give a voltage, a couple minutes, and then you can basically, once these show a voltage, and you get them up to like maybe 5 or 6 volts, you can switch it over to LiPo, and then they'll actually start charging because it won't show low voltage anymore. So like, again, I don't recommend this. I'm not telling you to do this, but I'm just doing it because it was either that or throw the batteries away. So I'm just trying it out, and it worked. It worked on this one, and now I'm trying it on this one here. And the other one was already expanded and splitting, so they told me not to do it on this one. So I'm going to open this one up and basically see what's inside it, and maybe tomorrow we might explode it. I guess if you put a nail or a screw in here and throw it in our furnace, it will explode. So that might be something we do tomorrow, make a video about that, see what happens. So anyway, that's all I have. So this is the charging unit and the system I have. This is the power supply, It's just kicking on, the fan's going, and then I'm going to charge the rest of the batteries with this, and that's all I have. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one, and we will show you racing with the little RC cars later.